Hello guys, hello friends. So guys, this is day number 26. You guys, day number 26. We are trying to build a phone accessory business on a budget. Okay, I was using this booth previously, but now I shifted into a bigger shop. So I came into this booth, relocated it to a different place. Trying to do what is it that can happen when someone dedicates their time every day they are working, and what really can happen if it really happens. So I chose a place, guys, like I've always been telling you to say, choose a place that is on the open. So where I am right now, everybody can see me, and I've chosen a place that is very visible, like it's just near the road. Okay, so that's it, guys, and I've been sharing with you guys the progress of the things that are happening right now. I've seen a lot of progress. Like this starting I've started this time is different from the starting I had 4 years ago when I was starting this business. Okay, so within just 30 days I've managed to restock this place. Okay, when I was starting, the only stock I had was really Ritu. If we can go back to the old videos, you'll see that I only had this in front. But even here, I've added a lot. Okay, let me show you some things I've added. I've added these rights. Okay, in rural areas, they like these rights because they no electricity, so they are using that. Okay, also these, I've added them. I've added these cables. We never had these cables. I've also added these cables. Okay, we also never came with these cables. I've added them. Okay, many things that I've added. I've also added these outages. Okay, on the screen protectors I've also added some. Okay, and this side I've added a lot of phone covers. You guys, where is this money coming from, you might ask? It's coming from the sales. The sales I make every single day. I send orders the following day. That's what I do, guys. So there's no time for keeping money. Okay, I won't keep money because I will not say no, let me keep the money so that shine. No, I don't do that. Whatever I sell, I send orders so that I don't actually remain with a lot of gaps in here. Okay, when you look at here, this side. Okay, so this is also a stock that I never came with. It's a stock that I've bought within this very period. So this is 26th day, okay, since I started, and I can tell you guys that I've seen a lot of change. I've seen a lot of progress. I've added this. Okay, I've also added those. I also have a lot of speakers down there. I've stored them. Okay, so in this 26 days, I think the secret, let me share with you the secret that I've been using to actually keep going, and I'm making customers every single day. I have some phones here. When I was coming, I had a lot of phones. I've sold them out, and I've more coming on the way. You see that, guys? So that is it. This has opened me, like exposed me to a lot of people, has exposed me to the world. And a strategy I've used, one is this speaker. This speaker can cry. Okay, this speaker's sound, it can really project. Okay, so this one has been here to announce every single day of the things that I'm selling. That is number one thing. My strategy has always been advertising every single day. Okay, one good part about phone accessory business, even if you are not learning an advert, when you just play music, it will attract people. That's about it, guys. Just play music. And in my advert, guys, I tell people of the things I'm having, such that they cannot even see, but I'm telling them in the advert. And then also in my advert, I also tell them of the things that I can do for them as well. You see, even those that I can see here. Fine, so that's what has been my secret. And the other thing also, my growth has been opening on every single day. Right now is a Sunday. I'm coming from church. I just reached here, reached home, changed my clothes, and I am working again. Okay, so this is a cover which is latest. So you're looking for latest covers. So this is the latest cover. Okay, this one is also a latest cover. This one also. So that's the beauty. I've just taken those that are latest, guys, so that when the customer comes, they should not, though it looks small, but it has content. That's what is important, guys. You can have a big shop, but it doesn't have content. Okay, so make sure you have content, you guys. That's what is important. Fine. So people say, no, starting small. What? I receive a lot of people with ideas. They tell me, Sika, I have this much. I want to get started. And then I tell them to say, fine, you can get started. Don't get started bigger, get started small. I've been telling people that. So I used this as an experiment on myself. Can I really do that myself? Okay, because I've actually did that 4 years ago, starting small. But after shifting into a big shop, I thought, let me give myself a challenge. And I've given myself a challenge. And this now is going to be one of the happening branches that I have, because this is showing to have life. You see? If you can actually, if you can progress without adding more money, but you use the same stock, then means that business has life. That's what it is, guys. Okay, so this business got life. Why? Because it is stocking itself. Fine, I've been coming here every day. That's part of my secret. I'm not just coming here every day. I come here early in the morning. Wake up early, guys. It's part of the secret. Fine, I've also been here. You know, there's a light there. So I knock off here very late, guys. Okay, so that's the secret of building such a business. You guys, I see people that want to start a business and they like sleeping. Who told you can build a business like that? Can't build it like that. Stop sleeping and concentrate on the business. Okay, another secret, guys, is I move with the trend. I do move with the trend, meaning that whatever is happening, I'm aware. If there is a new cover, I'm aware. If there is a new whatever it is, any latest, I'm aware of such, guys. So that is what we do, guys. That's what we do, guys. Okay? Remember, the information I give you, you can do your own wherever you are. Whether you're in Zambia, South Africa, wherever part of the world you are, you can actually do this. Okay? Stand out and put yourself together. There's no small money. Look at me right now. I'm not ashamed to sit here. Most of you can be ashamed, but I'm not ashamed to sit here. That's why things are happening. Okay? If I can record a lot of changes within 26 days, what happens after 3 months? What happens after 1 year? You see that, guys? So that's about it. So for now, guys, please subscribe to my channel. In case you want to talk to me, this is my number. Okay? In case you want to talk to me. If you're outside the country, make sure you add +260. Then you put that +260. You had it there. So that's about it, guys. So make sure you follow, subscribe, and in case you see any ads on my video, please watch it. I will really appreciate. YouTube is doing that on my videos, so you can actually watch it. Okay, guys. So for now, it's bye bye.